All right, Zinger Nation, let's go ahead and check out the headlines that moved the stock market this week. Like always, guys, hit the like button and hit that subscribe bell below, and you'll be notified the moment we go live right here on Benzinga's YouTube. First up, we have connected fitness company Peloton Interactive reporting second quarter financial results before the market opened Tuesday. Peloton reported second quarter revenue of $1.13 billion, up 6% year over year. The total came in shy of the analyst consensus estimate of $1.15 billion. Peloton had 2.77 million connected fitness subscribers at the end of Q2, up 66% year over year. Peloton is focusing on cutting costs across its business. The company trimmed about 20% of its workforce. Also, CEO John Foley also announced he's stepping down from the role. Walt Disney reported Q1 earnings here. Results on Wednesday after the close. Walt Disney beat estimate earnings by 73.77%, reporting EPS of $1.06 versus an estimate of 61 cents. Revenue was at $5.57 billion from the same period last year, and Disney subscribers reached 129.8 million. Our domestic park results achieved all-time revenue operating income record despite Omicron surge, said CEO. Twitter reported its quarter 4 results on Thursday morning. Twitter missed estimate earnings by 5.71%, reporting EPS of 33 cents versus an estimate of 35 cents. Revenue was up 2.78 million from the same period last year. We'll go ahead and continue to see what happens with Twitter, especially after, of course, Jack Dorsey stepping down. Let's go ahead and let's get into our number 7 event. Like always, guys, you guys can keep up with all the events right here on Benzinga. First thing I would tell you guys to do is definitely hit that bell below. Let's get into Uber Technologies now, as shares surged higher on Thursday morning after the company announced strong quarterly results, but the stock was halted and turned negative following announcements at Uber's Investor Day. Uber laid out $5 billion operating profit for 2024 that fell short of the analyst estimate, below the $5.7 billion estimate that was expected for 2024. Of course, that wasn't all that we got. We also got, of course, going into Affirm Holdings. We'll get into that. That was a crazy ride yesterday, as Affirm Holdings initially surged higher on Thursday afternoon after the company highlighted some of the quarterly results via a tweet, which would appear to be an accidental release. Officially announced its fiscal quarter financial results shortly after, and then the stock plummeted. Affirm said quarterly results increased 77% year over year to 361 million, which beat the 328.8 million estimate. The company reported quarterly earnings loss of 57 cents per share, which came in below the estimate of 34 cents per share. Zendesk shares rose in after-hours trading after the customer service software company reported fourth-quarter results that were better than expected, as it rejected a takeover offer from private equity. Zendesk also earned an adjusted 17 cents per share on 375.4 million revenue for the period, up 32% year over year, and beat the estimate of 18 cents and also 369.81 million in revenue. Let's go to a leading cryptocurrency exchange here, the first ever Super Bowl commercial, and it's using the opportunity for a giveaway. FTX on Monday revealed that it's giving away Bitcoin as its premier Super Bowl ad. They also released in a tweet that they're giving away some Bitcoin. How much? 1 million? 1.5 million? We don't actually know. The big thing is, the later that the big game ad airs, the more Bitcoin that you guys can win. So definitely check that out, and check out the Super Bowl on Sunday. That's FTX's contest. All right, let's go ahead. Let's get back into it. Let's get into our number 3 event here. On February 8th, the U.S. Department of Justice charged Heather Morgan and Illa Lichtenstein for an alleged cryptocurrency laundering of 120,000 Bitcoin stolen from the cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex in 2016. It turns out Heather Morgan also contributed to Forbes Women, writing a number of articles on topics such dealing with burnouts, advice on becoming a successful YouTuber, and even tips on protecting your business from cyber criminals. Kind of ironic, can you tell? All right, let's go ahead. Let's get into the SpaceX event Thursday. Elon Musk said on Thursday that the rapidly reusable Starship rocket is building would reach orbit by the end of the year. They showcased an updated reusable rocket, and they're seeking approvals from the FAA next month. Of course, we all know how Elon wants to get us to be interplanetary. We'll see what happens with that SpaceX updated reusable rocket coming out in South Texas. We'll see what happens. I wish them the best, but hey, like always, I want to go out there to space myself. Let's go to our number one here. Of course, CPI data coming in Thursday, really knocking us down a little bit there. Consumer price index is at 7.5, and also this is the fastest increase since 1982. The headline CPI rose 7.5% in January, outpacing economists' estimate of 7.2, making it the highest growth rate since 82. So definitely stay up with that, guys. We're gonna keep building here on Benzinga, getting to all the news. You guys can stay up with it, of course, with Benzinga Pro or right here on Benzinga's YouTube. We'll see you next time. Until then, stay up with the news, and like always, check us out, check out our content, and check out our growing show, Live Trading with Benzinga, as we trade live in front of you. And of course, you can always check me out on Money Mitch. See you next time. Hit the like button, and who knows, I might be starting to do a little bit of Meta Mitch action. Who wants to join me in the metaverse? Hit me up in the comments below.